My name is Elazar Hinojosa. I work for Turner Industries as a structural welder at Shell Deer Park. I had met Jill Hill from Turner Industries Fabrication Department while on a tour of the Turner Fabrication shop. I told him I was really interested in coming to work. My high school instructor gave me a recommendation that helped me get started. I took welding classes at the Stewart Career Center, Goose Creek ISD. My instructor and Mrs. Hill explained to me that I had to start in an entry-level job. The best part of working in fabrication right out of school is they do on-the-job training, and I was able to progress pretty quickly. I started working in June 2015 in fabrication as a helper, and within a short period of time, they had an opening that I applied for and moved to a tacker position. In 2016, I was transferred to a Turner construction job site at the BASF project as an ironworker helper. I got to weld on that site. Turner offers training programs after work hours, so I also took welding classes at San Jacinto College. I even got to go to ABC Craft Championships. When the BASF job was over, I applied for another position and was sent to Shell Deer Park in 2017 as a welder. I have been in the industry for 6 years now. I am still working for the same company and have improved my life using the skills I learned in school and through on-the-job training.